Do you really need a certificate, a degree, or an accreditation to practice as a coach? There are so many coaches out there: exec coaches, mindset coaches, business coaches, life coaches, women's coaches, emotional intelligence coaches, family, relationships, personal, youth, success, performance, and so many more. Are they all certified? Do they all have degrees? And do you really need an accreditation to practice? Is there a governing body that you need to be licensed from in order to become a coach, in order to start practicing as a coach? The simple answer is no. You don't need any degree, any certificate, or any accreditation to practice as a coach. This is an unregulated industry, and whoever feels that they have the expertise to be a coach and can give results to their clients can start practicing as a coach, can float their business, and can start helping people. Now, what's going to make you successful is when you really help people and you really help them with the transformation, and then there's going to be word of mouth, there's going to be reviews, and your business is going to grow. So you really need to be good at what you're doing in order to be successful as a coach. But even then, what are some of the qualifications that these people have uh, that makes them feel confident before, as they start, and as they start growing their business, as they even start their own business as coaches, right? So coaches come from a variety of backgrounds. They have a lot of work experience in the area, or they have a lot of life experience, right? So someone who's been an entrepreneur and who's been a very successful entrepreneur in a particular niche can start coaching people in business and startups, etc. Nurses could become coaches about teaching people about how to care, so she could become a care coach, teaching people how to care for the sick, for the unhealthy, understanding their psychology, the compassion fatigue, caring for the carer, and all of those different things, right? Teachers can coach in the space of education. They could become an education coach, or she could become a learning coach, helping parents and children in strengthening the learning of their children, and public speaking, and so much more, right? So most of the qualifications that the coaches have comes from their life experience or work experience. And as you go about trying to figure out what you want to do, and I want to grow into as a coach, you need to be very clear about one thing. You have to be very clear about your role. Coaching of any kind, whatever coaching you take up, is not therapy, and you need to stay in the non-medical zone. And you cannot offer any medical advice, diagnose clients, or treat physical and mental health issues. So as long as you're doing that and you're very clear about your boundaries there, and you're very clear about your role, you can practice as a coach. So if that is the case, then why am I telling you that you should join my EASE Coach certification program? If there's no certification needed, if there is no accreditation body, there is no regulatory body, then why am I asking you to become an EASE coach? Why am I asking you to go through my certification program to help you become a coach? Now, how does the certification help? Let's get into that, right? The certification helps you, in general, any coach certification, it helps you obtain specialized knowledge about that field. It helps you become very specific about your niche, about the area of life that you want to cater to. It helps you develop your career in a structured, time-bound manner. And because you've learned things systematically, you've understood various things about the whole coaching framework and the coaching process and the business aspects of it, it increases your confidence and it increases your credibility. Your learning increases your credibility in the market. Now, why should you go through my certification program? There are so many certification programs out there. And why is my certification program different? So one thing that really sets me apart is this is the only program offering proven techniques of coaching based on Eastern and Western wisdom. I am giving away my signature method of coaching to you. It's focused on your inner transformation. And there is a lot of foundational knowledge about the whole coaching framework given to you. There's a lot of how-to about coaching given to you. How do you be with your client and things like that. And also the entire business setup. So what you get from me is a complete system. You get the coaching knowledge and you also get the entire process to help you set up your business. You get all the tools that you need, all the guidance that you need to set up your own coaching business. And it's a proven method that works. So let's work together and transform lives together. I am sharing my signature method with you, and that says a lot. That really says a lot. And the reason I am sharing that method with you is because I want to serve an unlimited number of people in their growth. And the best way for me to do so is to share this amazing method that works with all of you who want to help others. So join my program. Here's the link. It's bit.ly/easecoach. Go to that page, check out all the details that are there, and also fill up the form to show me your intent so that I know why you intend to be a coach and what are you looking for in this program. And if I think you're a good fit, I'm going to reach out to you personally and answer all your questions about this coach training certification program.